Madhav, come here bete. So Madhav, today our topic is antonym words, and I am going to ask some words and you will give the answer in antonym form. So what is the antonym word of few?
My answer is many.
And what is the antonym word of high?
My answer is low.
Okay, go. Nakshita. Nakshita bete, tell me the antonym word of hot.
Cold.
And for fast?
Slow.
Okay, very good. Abhas. Abhas bete, tell me the antonym word of secret.
My answer is open.
And what is the antonym word of thick?
My answer is thin.
Okay, go. Manvi. Manvi bete, tell me the antonym word of strong.
Weak.
And what is the antonym word of sun?
Moon.
Okay, go. Raghav. Raghav bete, tell me the antonym word of birth.
Death.
And what is the antonym word of complete?
Incomplete.
Okay, go. Hitiksha. Hitiksha bete, tell me the antonym word of ability.
Inability.
And what will be the antonym word of fear?
Courage.
Okay, very good. Gunjan. Gunjan bete, tell me the antonym word of abhor.
Love.
And what is the antonym word of gain?
Loss.
Okay, go. Karthik. Karthik bete, tell me the antonym word of noble.
Mean.
And what is the antonym word of oral?
Written.
Okay, go. Kaushik. Kaushik bete, tell me the antonym word of begin.
And
And for empty?
full.
Very good. Arish. Arish bete, tell me the antonym word of different.
Easy.
And what will be the antonym word of always?
Never.
Okay, very good. Now Gori. Gori bete, tell me the antonym word of summer.
Winter.
And for sun?
Moon.
Very good. Ritika. Ritika bete, tell me the antonym word of near.
Far.
And what will be the antonym word of win?
Loss.
Okay, very good. Ansh. Hans bete, tell me the antonym word of junior.
Senior.
And what is the antonym word of kill?
Save.
So what is the antonym word of good?
Bad.
And what is the antonym word of true?
False.
Okay. Pridhuman. So Pridhuman, tell me the antonym word of honor.
Dishonor.
And what will be the antonym word of hope?
Despair.
Okay, go. Okay, Asjad. Today our topic is antonym words. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your first word is hit.
My answer is miss.
And what is the antonym word of begin?
My answer is end.
Okay, good, go. What is the antonym word of new?
Old.
And what is the antonym word of little?
Much.
Okay, good. Vedita, bete, what is the antonym word of out?
My answer is in.
And what is the antonym word of dark?
My answer is light.
Okay, Aradhya, what is the antonym word of clean?
My answer is dark.
And what is the antonym word of girl?
My answer is boy.
Okay, Aradhya, what is the antonym word of young?
My answer is old.
And what is the antonym word of near?
My answer is far.
Okay, Raghu, Raghu, bete, tell me the antonym word of open.
Shut.
And what is the antonym word of kind?
Mean.
Very good. Sabyanshu, bete, what is the antonym word of true?
My answer is false.
And what is the antonym word of good?
My answer is bad.
Now Dugu, what is the antonym word of abhor?
My answer is like.
And what is the antonym word of natural?
My answer is artificial.
Okay, good. Tasbih, bete, what is the antonym word of bad?
My answer is good.
And what is the antonym word of difficult?
My answer is easy.
Okay, good. Okay, Humera, come here, bete. So Humera, today our topic is antonym words, and I am going to ask some words, and you will give the answer in antonym. So first word is for you, false.
My answer is true.
And second word is for you, foolish.
My answer is wise.
Okay, very good. Aradhya. Aradhya, bete, tell me the antonym word of cold.
My answer is hot.
And what is the antonym word of clean?
My answer is dirty.
Okay, go. Rishabh. Rishabh, bete, tell me the antonym word of before.
After.
And what is the antonym word of bad?
Good.
Okay. Aryan, bete, tell me the antonym word of fail.
Pass.
And what is the antonym word of big?
Small.
Okay. Lovely. Lovely, tell me antonym word of go.
My answer is come.
And what is the antonym word of up?
Down.
Okay. Divya. Divya, bete, tell me the antonym word of good.
Bad.
And what is the antonym word of day?
Night.
Okay. Piyush. Piyush, bete, tell me the antonym word of sky.
Land.
And what is the antonym word of inside?
Outside.
Okay. Arushi. Arushi, bete, tell me the antonym word of cunning.
Sir, my answer is simple.
And what is the antonym word of demand?
Supply.
Okay. Simran. Simran, bete, tell me the antonym word of natural.
Artificial.
Okay. Lakshit. Lakshit, bete, tell me the antonym word of justice.
Injustice.
And little?
Large.
Yes. Yes, tell me the antonym word of cruel.
Kind.
And what will be the antonym word of first?
Last.
Okay. Okay, once come here. Once bete tell me the antonym word of death.
Life.
And what will be the antonym word of maximum?
Minimum.
Okay. Okay, Harshita, come here, bete. So, Harshita, today our topic is antonym word. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your first word is bitter.
My answer is sweet.
Okay, what is the synonym word of buy?
My answer is sell.
Okay, go. Divakar, tell me the antonym word of always.
My answer is never.
And what will be the antonym word of bad?
My answer is good.
Okay. Dev, bete tell me the antonym word of happy.
My answer is sad.
And what will be the antonym word of cry?
My answer is love.
Okay, go. Shiva, what is the antonym word of high?
My answer is low.
And what is the antonym word of kill?
My answer is safe.
हाँ. वासु, मैं कह रहा आगे होते रहो अपना अपना आप. वासु, what is the antonym word of little?
My answer is much.
And what is the antonym word of noble?
My answer is mean.
Okay. Dipanshu, what is the antonym word of black?
My answer is white.
And what is the antonym word of cheerful?
My answer is sad.
Okay, go. Chahat, tell me the antonym word of give.
My answer is take.
And what is the antonym word of hot?
My answer is cold.
Okay, go. Yug, bete, what is the antonym word of summer?
My answer is winter.
What is the antonym word of sun?
My answer is moon.
Okay, go. Arush, what is the antonym word of victory?
My answer is defeat.
And what will be the antonym word of weak?
My answer is strong.
Okay, Udit, what is the antonym word of novel?
My answer is old.
And what is the antonym word of oral?
My answer is written.
Okay, Aryan, tell me the antonym word of make.
My answer is mar.
And tell me the antonym word of gain.
My answer is loss.
Okay, Lavisha, so first word is for you, heavy.
My answer is light.
And what will be the antonym word of entrance?
My answer is leave.
Okay, go. Ishika, bete tell me the antonym word of friend.
My answer is enemy.
And what will be the antonym word of intelligent?
My answer is dislike.
Okay, Shivi, bete tell me the antonym word of happy.
My answer is sad.
And what will be the antonym word of wrong?
My answer is right.
इतना हल्के हल्के लिखा है छोटे बच्चों ने तो बुक में भी रखे हैं क्लास की इतने सारे वर्ड. मानवी, tell me the antonym word of abhor.
My answer is love.
And what will be the antonym word of benefit?
My answer is loss.
Kanika, bete tell me the antonym word of natural.
My answer is artificial.
And what will be the antonym word of obey?
My answer is disobey.
Okay, good. Priya, bete tell me the antonym word of particular.
My answer is general.
And what will be the antonym word of unite?
My answer is separate.
Okay. Damni, tell me antonym word of up.
My answer is down.
And what will be the antonym word of difficult?
My answer is easy.
Okay, go. So, Lucky, come here, bete. Your first word is accept.
My answer is refuse.
And what will be the antonym word of afraid?
My answer is brave.
Okay. Aksh, bete tell me the antonym word of admit.
My answer is dainty.
And what will be the antonym word of adult?
My answer is child.
Okay. Abhi, tell me the antonym word of give.
My answer is take.
And what will be the antonym word of joy?
My answer is sorrow.
Okay. Divyanshu, tell me the antonym word of push.
My answer is pull.
And what will be the antonym word of receive?
My answer is give.
Okay. Shagun, tell me the antonym word of thin.
My answer is thick.
And what is the antonym word of ugly?
My answer is pretty.
Okay. Hans, what will be the antonym word of wet?
My answer is dry.
And what will be the antonym word of young?
My answer is old.
Okay. Tarun, what is the antonym word of inside?
My answer is outside.
And what is the antonym word of break?
My answer is fixed.
Okay, tell me antonym word of loss.
My answer is find.
And what will be the antonym word of peace?
My answer is war.
Okay, good.